Many people simply don't have the tools or confidence to express themselves in front of others. That's where this book comes in. If you fear public speaking, or simply want to take your speaking skills to the next level, From Fear to Freedom is for you. By tapping into the speaker's mindset and leveraging the power of emotional intelligence, I'll help you transform anxiety into confidence and turn fear into freedom. Conquer the fear of public speaking once and for all, and turn your voice into your greatest asset.